back to Lake Math. Right now we're going to do the midpoint. So if I have a line, it's the middle. So it's halfway. It's right in the middle. So basically you're going to take your x's, add them up, divide by 2. Might look a lot like an average because, well, you're just taking an average of this side and that side. So if this side was 3 and this side is 9, you just add those up, divide by 2. So add them up, divide by 2. That's all we're doing for this section. So you got 12 over 2. You got 6. Some of y'all could have worked that out without actual math because it's not that hard. Now sometimes they're going to give you coordinates and they want the midpoint. So all we're going to do is add up and divide by 2 for the x's, and then add up and divide by 2 for the y's, and then they're in coordinates. It's really doing the same thing, you just do it twice. Once for x, once for y. So in this example, I've got 12, 2, and 7, 9. Remember, your x is first, then your y. So I take my x's, the 12 and 7, add them up, divide by 2. I take my y's, the 2 and 9, add them up, divide by 2. And you get 19 over 2 and 11 over 2. Some people don't like fractions, so if you want to make them a decimal, then make them a decimal, and now you have a coordinate. So this point is halfway in between these 2 points. That's all you got to do. Add them up, divide by 2.